Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay a black screen on top of your videos in CapCut PC. So I have this video here and I want to overlay this on top. You're going to go to the blend mode here and you're going to either choose brighten or screen. I suggest the screen one because you'll see some of that neon glow on it. And this is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to watch our other videos on CapCut as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.